Alright, so in this lesson I'm going to show you how to vet and pick out a theme for your store. A theme is basically a template for your store to fit in. We've already created some pages, we've added some products, we set up some toolbars, so we're ready to mess around with this theme, and I'll show you why we did that in advance. So it's pretty cool because Shopify makes this really easy for anyone who has, the desire to create their own website. It is pretty straightforward, and I would say almost anyone can do this, even if you're not a website guru or designer. So first thing you want to do is log into your Shopify site and then go to the theme store, themes.shopify.com. There's over 100 themes in here. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. To see them, click on all themes. You can also use the search function. You can also view by collection or by industry, but I like starting like this because I like starting free. You can always switch your theme later. There's plenty that are paid, but let's start with the free ones, okay? I just wanted to point out too, over here on the left, you can make all sorts of customizations, and if you have certain preferences that you really want to stick within, make sure you do a little work over here and see what boxes you should check. You might have some, real preferences over here that, will apply to your theme that you want to use, and only you can choose your theme. To keep things simple, I'm going to use a free theme, and I really like Debut. I highly suggest viewing the demo before you suggest your theme, especially if you're going to buy one. And the cool thing is you can click start with this theme and try it out before you buy it if you're planning on buying a paid one. But here's the key. Okay, please listen to this. I want to make sure that you first choose a theme based on mobile view as opposed to desktop, because these days most of our traffic is coming from mobile devices. I found a really good article. If you know of a Shopify store that you really like and you want to find out what theme they're using, there's totally a way you can do it. If you just Google, how to find out which Shopify theme a store is using, you can follow these instructions and find out. A couple other cool features. Remember, especially if you're buying a theme, to scroll down, check all the features, and also check the reviews, okay? Very big, especially if you're paying money. I've used this theme before, so I'm not too worried about the negative reviews on this one. I know what it's capable of, and also it suggests more themes with similar features. So basically, if you want to use the theme, I recommend clicking start with this theme. You can always change later. We'll make sure we're logged into our store. And if you're inside your store, you can go over here on the left and click on themes and find the theme that you're interested in. So basically, if you click themes on the left and scroll the way down, you can go visit the theme store, and you can also explore all the free themes. I know I'm using a free theme, so we're going to look in here for Debut. There it is. And basically what we can do here is add it to the library. There's a default style and a light style. Sometimes they have different styles, just to let you know. So make sure you pick the style that you want. So sometimes it takes a little while to add it to your store. Remember, you can always replace, switch, delete this later if you want to. And here you have the action options to preview it or publish it. That's take it live. You can rename it. You can do a bunch of stuff here. And also you can remove it. Use Burst. It's Shopify's free photo website, so you can use any photos you want to in here for free. If you want to screw around and make sure you have photos in the areas that you want to use them in your store and in your template. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and publish it because I know I'm going to be using this, and I know my store is not live yet. So I'm going to go ahead and publish. And as you can see, we are published at the top here, and I can have the option to change actions up here and to start customizing my theme. So next video, we're going to go into the customization of the theme. We're going to start playing around with it. I'll show you how to add and remove sections and do all sorts of things like that. So hopefully that all makes sense. Choose your theme, and I'll see you in the next video.